Most people think they need a 750 credit score to start getting real funding. But the truth is, the right primary trade lines can build that foundation way faster than you think. In this video, I'm giving you the real list, not the mainstream ones everybody already knows, but the low-key primaries that report fast, age your file, and set you up for high-limit credit approvals. Let's get into it. Primary trade lines are the backbone of your credit profile. They show lenders you can manage your own accounts, you can handle responsibility, you have payment history, and you're not depending on someone else's credit. Think of primaries as your personal credit foundation. Once these are in place, everything else, approvals, CLIs, business credit, becomes way easier. Before I give you the list, remember, a good primary must have 3 things. 1 reports monthly, not every 60 to 90 days. 2 reports to all 3 bureaus. 3 helps your mix, installment plus revolving plus store lines. Most people mess up because they only add one type of credit. You need a blend. Lenders love that. Here are the underrated primaries nobody talks about, perfect for rebuilding or starting fresh. 1. Self-financial, installment builder. Reports to all 3. Builds payment history. Low monthly cost, adds an installment line. This one is good for people starting from scratch or rebuilding after negatives. 2. Credit Strong Magnum or Foundation plans. One of the strongest installment primaries reports, high loan amounts, adds depth plus years of history. Looks great to lenders. Credit Strong gives your file some weight. Lenders see it and relax. 3. Kickoff, free trade line. Reports as a revolving line. Boosts profile for beginners. Helps utilization. No fees. Great add-on to increase total available credit. 4. Grain credit, revolving line, virtual. Approves based on bank traffic, not credit score. Gives instant revolving line. Reports monthly. Great for people with thin credit. This one is slept on in the credit world. 5. Zolvi Credit Builder. No credit check. Reports as a real credit card line. Grows with you. Helps build revolving history. Good for early profiles or rebuilding after a setback. 6. Tomo Card. High limit, soft pull. Up to $10,000. No credit check. Reports as major credit card. Helps with utilization. Great for instant profile strengthening. 7. Avant Credit Card or installment loan. Subprime friendly. Reports fast. Helps build profile thickness. Easier approval than most banks. Another great hidden gem. 8. SeedFi, when active. If they bring it back in 2025, best installment builder in the game. Very low cost. Lenders love it. Strong aging line. One of the most powerful primaries for early credit. 9. Merrick Bank. Double your line. Reports as real credit card. High approval rate. Doubles after a few payments. Helps utilization and profile growth. Perfect transition from subprime to mid-tier banks. 10. Regional banks. Credit unions. These hit different because they build true lender trust. Navy Federal, PenFed, Andrews, FCU, Langley, FCU, Security Plus, FCU. These become your gateway to cars, credit cards, and 20,000 plus lines. How to combine these for maximum score jump. Here's the formula. Step 1. Add 1 to 2 installment primaries. Self plus Credit Strong or Avant plus Self. This builds your payment history foundation. Step 2. Add 2 revolving primaries. Tomo, Zolva, Merrick, Kickoff. This helps utilization and credit mixture. Step 3. Add 1 credit union relationship, pick 1, and become a member. Navy Federal, PenFed. This relationship matters more than people realize because lenders favor their own members. Step 4. Keep utilization 1 to 7%. This alone will bump you 20 to 60 points depending on your profile. Section 5. The primary power hack. Here's the advanced move nobody mentions. You can liquidate a credit card, put the funds into a pledge loan, pay the card back, build two primaries at the same time. You're basically building new payment history, using the bank's money, setting yourself up for future high-limit approvals. We'll talk about this in the next video. Now that you know the hidden primaries that actually move your score, in the next video, we're going deeper. I'm going to show you how to combine these primaries with pledge loans to build massive credit in 60 days. So hit subscribe, drop a like, and be ready. That one's going to change your whole credit journey.